have been struggling with lower back pain, you have been probably heard that strengthening your core can help. But not all exercises are safe when your back is sensitive. Hi everyone, I am Rupreet, a physiotherapy intern at Instep Physical Therapy in Edmonton. Today, I'll walk you through 3 simple and safe core exercises: pelvic tilts, heel slides, and a modified plank that can help support your spine, ease tension, and reduce pain. Exercise 1. Pelvic tilts. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently flatten your lower back against the mat by tightening your abdominal muscles and tilting your pelvis upward. Hold for a few seconds and then release. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This helps activate your deep core muscles and improve spinal control, perfect for building a pain-free foundation. Exercise 2. Heel slides. Stay in the same position, knees bent, back relaxed. Slowly slide one heel away from your body, keeping your foot on the floor, then slide it back in. Alternate legs, performing 10 reps per side. Keep your core gently engaged so your lower back stays stable throughout. This builds coordination and strengthens the muscles that supports your lower spine without adding strain. Exercise 3. Modified plank with support. Start on your elbows and knees, keeping your spine in a straight line from head to tailbone. Engage your core and hold for 10 to 20 seconds, breathing steadily. If comfortable, you can process by extending one leg at a time. This strengthens your abdominal and back stabilizers, helping protect your lower spine during daily movements.
Core FAQs with Rupreet.
How often should I do these exercises?
So start with once daily, 10 to 15 reps, and increase gradually as your strength improves.
Should I feel pain while doing them?
No. You might feel gentle muscle activation, but stop if you feel sharp or radiating pain.
Can these help prevent future back pain?
Yes. A strong core supports your spine, reduces stress on your lower back, and improves posture over time.
When should I see a physiotherapist?
If your pain lasts more than few days or limit movement, a physiotherapist can personalize your exercises and ensure proper techniques. At Instep Physiotherapy, we help you move safely, strengthen wisely, and recover fully, one step at a time. These simple exercises are a great start, but personalized care can take your recovery even further. Move better, strengthen safely, live pain-free with Instep Physical Therapy.